2nd September. My friends and I went out to celebrate Waiter's birthday at a KTV place. I think none of us can sing, so pardon the horrible vocal. 9th September. Did my course blush companion review in school. Recently I felt like selling them away just so I can get something else like the small lie. On the same day, Fansing is back from UK and we met for dessert and dinner. Yiling was there too, but I didn't have the chance to take her with my film camera. 24th September. I won a raffle for undefeated Air Max 97. Was pretty stoked about it back then, but I don't really like them now, so I managed to sell them away. To the 30th September, we went out to celebrate Halim's and my birthday. I was too drunk to take a proper picture, the camera was tilted, and I was totally blocked off by the bin. You're drunk, CK, please go home. 5th October, it's my birthday, and I did a review for JW Anderson Uniqlo Collect. Wei Ting and I went to DSM to take a look. Nice place. I wanted to get a CDG transparent bag, but I was having a second thought on that. We saw the night sky and decided to take a picture with that. 10th October. Did a video on how to square lace a Rick Owens sneakers. Love the natural sunlight on the film camera and they always turn out well. 26th October. Got a COS Jordan 4 from Plug SG for a video. Such a precious sneakers. Did a sketch and review for that. 4th November. Had a double date with Halim and Alexa, as Wei Ting wanted to treat them for helping her to get a job. We went to Supply and Demand to have a lunch. '18th November. We went to Adventure Cove. It's our first time there together, but I'll say the place is nothing much though. December 1st. Gotten a COS Snoopy and did a review on that. The chair poked my ass. I took another similar shot again as I realized it's better with the natural sunlight. 6th December. Went past Victoria Theatre for a video shoot and I took this shot because I love the blue in the sky. 12th December. Borrowed a Ralph Simmons book from the library to have more inspiration. 25th December. It's Christmas and I spent it with Wei Ting and her parents. We went to explore the Botanic Garden. 31st December. My friends and I had our gift exchange on the New Year. Wei Ting and I were so busy that we have to do our gift wrapping at the staircase of a mall where we bought our gift before the gift exchange. I can't rap, so she's the one doing it with my review sketch paper. I felt it was funny to do it at the staircase of a mall, so I took a shot. Later on, we met our friends, had our dinner, and wanting to get a group shot. That's when I made a mistake I always make, which is hitting the record button when it's already recording. That explains why I'm not in the video. 2nd January. Went past this apartment and I think it's super old and run down, but I like it because of this middle-aged working adult walking past, which made the shot so vintage. You guys know me, I love vintage stuff. 3rd January. Filming Magella Glow perfume. Will be releasing soon. Please stay tuned. 6th January. We were looking for Marina Square Maze, but most of the doors were locked. We only managed to find this place. So Wei Ting and I thought it would be great for us to take an outfit shot. So we took turn to take a photo and we went to my cousin's wedding after this. 12th January. Had a meeting near Raffles Place, so I went early to look for nice places to shoot. And I'm back at Victoria Theatre again, but now at the back of the building. I like the combination of the building and people walking past. I went past Boat Quay. and an alley full of aircon motos, which I took it because they looked so messy and cluttered. I also went past a creepy old building which looked so dead with all the shop closed, but I liked the structure of the wide staircase. 14 January, went to IKEA to have lunch and buy some stuff with Wei Ting. I love to go there, not just for the food. I love how the place looks, and I always love the typeface on IKEA's label. (16 January), I came across this lonely and rusty metal box mounted on the wall. I like the color of the sun and also the shadow cast because of it. 17 January, another school day with Wei Jie. He recently got a Comme des Garçons shirt, PVC brown bag. It looks extremely good, so I decided to end my last shot from this film roll of him holding on to the bag.